Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to the week 5 video. Amazing, it's week 5 already. Excited to have you here. I'm gonna just jump right in because I want to make sure that the video doesn't go too long. Okay, everyone. The most important thing that we're doing this week is we're introducing ourselves to NGen. So NGen, that's what the week 5 is, Introduction to NGen. Okay, so NGen is an online English learning platform. Okay, I talked about it last week. Um, either you received an email from Sam Ho where you got a link to log into NGen, or you didn't. It doesn't matter. But all you need to do, everyone, is right here. I included the you should see this tab, and you should click this link. Okay. Now here is where you need to log into NGen. Again, NGen is like an English language learning online application where you can have do lessons, take a course. You can even do a live course with an instructor from a different part of the world. Yeah. So to log in, again, you should either look at your email or look here, and you should put your email in. So for example, I'm going to add my AACA email, and you're going to have to create a password. I already have a password, so I'm going to add my password in here. Okay, and when you log into NGen, you might have to take a test. Okay, everyone? So please understand that. So the first thing that you need to do, right, or the second thing, excuse me, so I'm just following the numbers here. First thing you need to do is log into NGen. The second thing is take a test. I think you have to take a test. If for some reason you don't, that's okay, that's great. But if you have to take a test, please take the test. Go through all of the practice questions and make sure you do that, because that way NGen will know your English language learning level. After you take the test and you finish, you should end up to like a screen like this, where it will say like welcome and your name, as you can see. It will, for example, say your level, if you can see my cursor. And you can see that there's something like catalog and practice and live instruction. So I'd like everyone to explore with these different things, okay? So live instruction is, yes, the opportunity to take a live class with someone on Zoom. I think practice is to do some grammar guide or like do some vocabulary. If you click on catalog, it gives you different courses, or like these tips here at the top. So one thing, everyone, you can do is click on a course, let's say, okay, intermediate English. And okay, so it looks like I haven't unlocked those yet. So you would need to click on a course that is open. So let's see if I click this and I enroll. Okay, so I'm just seeing here. Okay, I cannot do that one. So right now I'm just trying to, okay, so here is like a lesson that I could take, right? So this one's called Tips for Subject Verb Agreement. So I can start the lesson and I can go through, and you can see that this is like an explanation, and there's also audio. So what I'd like everyone to do is, I know I don't have a lot of time here to show you all of the different things NGen does, is I'd like you to spend about an hour exploring NGen, looking through the different tabs and everything like that, and then spend about 30 minutes doing one lesson, okay? So please do one lesson on NGen, and if you come back, it says, so choose a lesson that you want and complete it, number 3. And then number 4, everyone, I would like us to report, to communicate to all of us what we thought about NGen. So in the Google Stream, everyone, again, right, the Google Stream, here you can see my cursor on the stream, please write what lesson you chose, right? Question A, what lesson you chose. Please include the title of the lesson. And then also for question B, please put what you learned in this lesson. Please write at least 100 words. And then for question C, write about what you think about Engine. And it says, how can you use it to improve your English in the next 10 weeks? So I'd like everyone to write about 100 words talking about how you hope to use Engine in the next 10 weeks. You can use Engine on your phone. You can use Engine on a tablet. You can use Engine while you're traveling or while you're on the train or things like this. So lots of opportunities to practice your English. Okay, so the second thing, everyone, that I'd like you to do is to review my comments, right? So let me quickly show you. I'd like you to review my comments on the internet research activity. So if I go to the internet research activity, you can see that I have commented on your comments, and I have also commented on some of your posts, right? So for example, you can see Tarsaline, I commented here on your post, or Tatiana, I commented here. And in most cases, everyone, I asked you a question. So when you, let's see. So when you see my comments, please try to respond to them. Okay, everyone, I also commented on your stream post, right? So Begin, see that I commented here. Milene, see how I commented on yours, or here's another one. Cirque, Jianqi, see how I commented on yours. So please respond to my comments and review my comments. So I also just wanted to point out, everyone, that I really liked students who answered all 3 of the questions. Make sure you're checking the instructions and following all the instructions. So I just want to point out, for example, here, see how Botena clearly answered all 3 questions. I think there was another student who also did that. For example, yeah, Maria Andrade, excellent job putting the questions and then answering them clearly. Ideally, I would like everyone to do this, to clearly show how you're answering each question from the homework. Okay, everyone. So the 2 things you need to do, everyone, are to introduce yourselves to Engine and do an activity and write about it in the stream, and then also review my comments and respond to them if possible. That is the homework for week 5, everyone. Coming up, I will be sending you a syllabus with a much more detailed plan for the cycle, and we will start getting ready for our first writing assignment. Okay, everyone, have a great week. Thank you, and please let me know if you have any questions. Let's see.